This is our Romeo and Juliet act, and Casey will be playing Juliet. EJ will be playing Romeo, and I will be playing the nurse. So here we go. Romeo, take it away. Juliet, thy lips so pretty, thy face so downhearted.
But I am a sweet angel with so woven wings.
Thou shalt not bother the princess. Thy princess, so pretty, like the world is.
Thou is made from the devil, and for the devil I will not take your sin.
But thy lips are like pilgrims in the heart.
But you have kissed me with your sinful lips.
Thine they shall be broken up forever. But thy lips, Juliet, your mother calls.
Juliet and Juliet, I love you, Romeo.
Juliet. Thou shalt drink thy potion.
I shall be with my secret lover.
Thou shalt try my secret lover.
Secret
in the
lover.
gates.
That's what we are. Romeo! If I kiss you like that.